Installing modules in Python pip, distribute, knows, Virtualenv. I'm aware that there are similar questions on so. This one, for example, what's the proper way to install pip, Virtualenv, and distribute for Python? I'd like to install these modules as per my Learn Python the Hard Way tutorial, this URL. I managed, I think, to install pip by using sudo easy_install pip, but when I then ran pydoc modules I could not see it. So I'm not even sure it's installed. The answer above in question 432-4558 is difficult for me to understand. What's a bootstrap, what's curl, and why would I set up a virtual environment? Yes, as a learner I should try to pick up as much as I can, but I don't want to first create the universe. I just want to get the task at hand done. How do I install these modules? Is it as complicated as it sounds in the quoted answer? The top voted answer says install Virtualenv into a bootstrap virtual environment. Use that virtual environment to create more. Since Virtualenv ships with pip and distribute, you get everything from one install. I really don't get what all that means. Isn't there something about the Zen of Python and a one true way to get things done? Or am I out of context here? What is the right way to install these modules? I tried. Pip install Virtualenv in the terminal and received the following output. I'm using a Mac and Python 2.7.
Have a look at Python development environment on Mac OS X Mavericks 10.9. I followed these steps as well when trying to get Python 2.7 and Python 3.3 installed on OS X. It doesn't tell you how to install knows and distribute, but you should have a working environment and you can pick up from there. I did have a problem using Virtualenv and pip with Python 3. The question and solutions is available here.
To solve your issue, just install or upgrade the setup tools. Then you can run again, pip install Virtualenv.
Try adding pseudo in your command as. It worked for me.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.